Hello and welcome to my channel Minimech. Today I'm going to do another Python video based off of kind of what we did last time, and I'm going to add it in. Now as you see, I'm using idle instead of PyCharm. You can use PyCharm, you could use idle, but I'm just going to use idle for now. So I'm setting these brackets out. Okay, now, so let's first get started. You want to import a random module. So from random, because you're going into the random module, you're then going to import randint. Now randint just lets you select random numbers. Now I'm going to put, we're going to call it number. Number equals, let me just press Control plus. Okay, I can't. Sorry. Wish I'd done this a second ago. I need to zoom it in so you can see the words clearer. Put idle dark. That's what that does. That's not really dark, is it? Oh, there you go. Size 20. Fine. Yeah, it looks more like it. Okay, so number equals. Now, to get this, you want to put randint, and then in that you want to put the number boundary. So we'll put 1 to 100. Let's say for now. Okay, and then number guess, I guess. Number G for number guess. Or if you even want numg, number guess, is equal to string. So it's saying that it's a string, then input. So it's asking for the user input. Guess the number. It's asking the user to guess the number, and then it's putting it there. Oh my god, sorry. Can't type today apparently. Okay, and then, of course, you need the spaces, and I always do it by 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. I think it's because I've made it bigger that the spaces are huge for some reason. I don't know why I did that a second ago. So then here you put in if numg is bigger than number, print. Okay, now you're saying that the number you guessed is higher than number, so you want to say that you're going to guess lower. Oh, sorry. Now, you now want something called elif, so that's else if numg, and now we're just going to put equals number. So we're going to do it in order: bigger than, equal, higher than. So you want to put if numg equals, you want to put equal to actually. Sorry, it was my fault, but you want to put equal to instead of equals. I call it equal to, 2 equals. Sometimes people say it's equivalent to, or it's a comparison, but I always count it as equal to. Print, well done. Now, there's something else I haven't done. Now, you can either use a while, or you could use the crit function. Now, I always do I normally do a while statement. So to do a while statement, you get a variable. Let's call it loop. This equals to 0. So then you want to put here while loop is equal to 0, and then you want to get all this here. Now, you really want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you can also do this, I think. Tab, yeah, instead of adding 1, 2, 3, 4. But, yeah, I just teach you tabs. I normally use PyCharm or Sublime Text, and normally you can just hold down the mouse button and then you can scroll down, and then you can select a certain function, then press tab, and all of it will shift. So that's normally better than idle, but I'm just using idle to show you everything. So it says well done, you got the number. Okay, then you want to put loop equals loop plus 1. So you're saying that now loop is equal to 1 because you're adding 1 to loop, which doesn't mean that it's equal to 0, so it ends, or, like I said, you could do crit. But I normally do that one. Now I've done this one too many. Okay, now you want else if again, num_g is lower than number. You want to put print, higher. Okay, so now it's saying that you've got to print higher. Now, if we run this, this should 1. I'm expecting it to. Now, I'm going to save this as higher lower game .py. Invalid syntax. Oh, yeah, like I said, you have to have equal to. Like I said down here. Double brackets. There you go. That's all of it sorted. I should have went through this earlier. Unexpected indent. I've done one too many indents. Okay, so that's what the code looks like. So now when you want it, so it's guess the number. We'll do 50. Oh, I've saved that as string and not an int. You want int because you're saying that it's a number. For integer, so an integer is a whole number. Guess the number, 50. Higher, 75. Higher, 90. Lower, 80. Higher, 85. Higher, 87. Lower, 86. Well done, you got the number. So after all that, you've now got that simple game. Now, I'm going to put it into what I had last time. No, I don't want to save. Okay, as I showed you last time with PyCharm, if I open this up, no, I've just got to open the right one. That's not the right one. You want that one. Okay, so I have added this in already. So it's in the math section, it's in the number. So our end game equals string. Do you want to play a random number game? Right, that's n. So y for yes, n for no. So if our end game is equal to y, so if the user says y, okay, so the number is between 1 and 100. So then Rn equals random 1 to 100. Now max is 100, as I've said up here. So it picks a number between 1 and 100. Oops, sorry. So Rn guess equals 0. Now this is the while loop that I said in the other video, not in the other thing. So it's equal to 0 here, which means that any time that this is equal to 0, it will display this until you've got it right, and then it adds 1. So then this while loop stops. So if Rn guess is equal to Rn, which is the number that you're guessing, it says well done, you got it correct, and adds 1, and then it stops. But if it's not, it says higher, and if not, it's lower. So thanks for watching, and my next one will be my next video will be like tutorials on Python and maybe even C++. If you want to see that as well, and I'll start making games and show you. So I hope to be able to show you all that, and I'll just show you a quick relevant of this, and then hopefully it works. So it was 48. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!